Today we're making granola bars.
We are, and what's in them?
Porridge.
Porridge! Oats, right?
Oats.
So can you put the oats in this bowl for me? All of them? It's 1.5 cups of oats. So this is the dry bowl. We'll make the paste in a minute. And what are these? Almonds, that's right, and they're crushed, aren't they? So chopped up almonds, so that's 1/3 of a cup of chopped up almonds. And what other dry ingredients we've got? What are these ones?
Sesame seeds.
Oh, very close, the pepita seeds. Pepita, so 1/3 of a cup of pumpkin seeds, right?
Can we try the raisins?
Oh, yes, they're not raisins, they're cranberries, but they do look like raisins. Can you pour those in? Take one and put it in there. I'll make the paste while she's doing that. So the paste for this, to help it stick together and glue together without, you know, having to cook it so that it's nice and raw, we're using dates and honey. So I use 1 cup of medjool dates. Remember, the medjool dates are the really soft dates that are absolutely delicious. The kids love them. They froth at the mouth for them. And 1/4 cup of honey. And I just put it in the food processor and I actually just process until it becomes pasty. Okay, let's start processing. Into our little paste. Okay, so it almost looks like peanut butter or some type of butter. So this is what it actually looks like. That is the key ingredient to make a granola bar. So what have you done there? Tell us.
I mixed it through until
It was all combined really well?
yeah.
Okay.
And I smushed it a tiny bit.
Okay, so let's put the paste in. Oh, these are going to be delicious. It's not going to cut it using a wooden spoon or any spoon at all, any spatula. You're going to have to use your hands, okay? It's really sticky. So what I've done here is I've lined just a small Pyrex. I've put some lining over the side, the baking paper all the way over the side, just so that I've got like handles when I'm finished from the fridge and just want to pull it out, make it easier. I just wet my hands a touch, just to help it from sticking to me. Make sure it's all evened out. Look, they're rustic, so you don't have to have it perfectly cut. Okay, done. And we'll put this in the fridge or the freezer for maybe an hour, half an hour, and we'll be back to show you what it looks like, and we'll cut it all up, and we are gonna try it and tell you. Oh, even just the taste of it on my fingers is good.
Hi.
Tell them your name.
I'm Wilson. We're making a license.
Granola bar, we're cutting the...
Granola bar. We're cutting a granola bar to fold it in what we can eat.
So that we can eat. I didn't understand much of that, but yes. He's saying we're going to cut the granola bar so we can eat. This is Moses, Olive's little brother. And we love him. He's sitting in for her. He's helping me for the first time and he's so excited, aren't you? So our granola bar is finished. You want me to cut it? So let's just cut it. You can make it into a muesli bar size for the kids at school or for work, or you can cut it in half so that way you've just got it as a treat for like your 3:30-itis. Well, do you want to try some? Yes? Okay, there you go. Oh, look at that. Look at this. Okay, I've got to show you this. See that? That's got cranberries in it. The mixture together is like, the cranberry has like a sourness to it. So the sourness with the sweet, with the nuts. This is a winner, this one. You've got to try this recipe. The kids would love it at school and they're getting all their goodness. Cheers. Hope you enjoy it. Try it and let us know what you think. That's a good one, isn't it?